Hi friends, it's Becky, and I am going to be doing a really quick video with you to open up 2 of my beading advent calendars. And this is my day 2 for the Jesse James Beads advent calendar, and days 3 and 4 for the Eureka Crystal Beads advent calendar. And the reason I'm doing it this way is because there are 24 gifts in the Eureka Crystal Beads calendar and 12 gifts in the Jesse James bead calendar. And this way I've got an every other day schedule. It'll give me a little more flexibility. If I'm not able to get to it that day, I can just pick it up the next day like I did yesterday. And we can do that. Now, I did check the sites, and when I checked, the Eureka Crystal Beads advent calendar was still available for purchase. It is scented. So if you are sensitive to scents or allergic to perfumes or something, it might not be the one for you. If you don't mind a nice, heady, sandalwoody scent on that, go right ahead because it's really pleasant. I'm enjoying it. And then this one is not scented for the Jesse James beads. And the Jesse James beads ones contain gifts that were curated or created by a lot of different artisan makers and small bead companies, things like that. Yesterday we opened up a Humble Beads pendant, and I'm excited to see what I've got in envelope number 2. The Eureka Crystal Beads ones are not numbered, and so I've just been pulling them out in whatever order I want to. There is actually a list on the website of all of the content, so it shouldn't be a surprise if you've read that list. But if you also got this advent calendar and I'm opening them up and getting different things than you are, it's possible that we're just opening them up in a different order. So don't be alarmed that you might have something different than I have in yours. I also decided, since there are so many of these things, that I'm going to organize it like I usually do with my Eureka Crystal Beads collections by putting all of the contents for this into one of these photo box organizers. They're really useful, I think. Here's another collection that I have in here. It's just a really great way to keep all of the bits all together so that when I want to go follow one of the tutorials that they put out, I can find everything that I need right here in this, and it stacks horizontally and vertically. It's really a versatile tool for organizing my beads. But anyway, I'm going to be putting that in here after we get through here. So hopefully that has given everybody who doesn't want to be spoilered a chance to exit this vehicle, or sorry, not vehicle, video. Both of them start with a V. It's easy to confuse the two. Exit this video. And so if you are still here at this point, I assume you want to see what's in here. So let's start with the Jesse James Beads one. It's got a little envelope, and on the last one there was a little coupon in it, so I'm going to pull out the card off camera to make sure that we're not spoiling that. And this is Green Girl Studios. I love Green Girl Studios. They do artisan, this is one of my favorite ones of theirs. Begin each day with a grateful heart. I actually have, I think, 2 of these connectors. So now I'll have an entirely other one. I'll get it out of here so we can look at it in more detail. They are a true gem. We're Totally Smitten, based in Asheville, North Carolina. Cynthia Thornton brings magic and jewelry making with handmade beads, pendants, and accessories. Crafted from pewter, silver, shibuichi, and bronze, each piece is made with love and care, turning every item into a work of art. We're all about Green Girl Studios' unique, whimsical designs, and there's always like a little message on here. So begin each day with a grateful heart, and then you've got this bird and all of that. I'll put a link to the Green Girl Studios site in the description so you can check them out, and they may actually have some more of these on their site that you might be able to purchase. But they're handmade, hand-carved, hand-casted. They carve out the things that they cast them into pewter, and just, it's one of my favorite artisan jewelry making components that we have out there. So that is fantastic. And then there's going to be probably a tutorial on that. I'll check that out later. That is really beautiful. I love Green Girl Studios. So yeah, even though the advent calendar is sold out, you may still be able to get that from Green Girl Studios themselves. So let's see what we've got in the Eureka Crystal Beads. Oh, look! Chaton! These are little crystal chatons. And I'm just going to open this, tip this out a little bit so we can get a better look. We want a better look at the color. So let's get this up here so we can take a look. that clarity. It's like a really dark teal, like kind of a smoky teal color for these. They are absolutely gorgeous, really beautiful. I am so pleased, and there's a set of 4 in here. So that's the first one that I'm opening up today. So that'll be day 3 for me. And again, they're not numbered, so my day 3 may be different from your day 3. And then this one, it's a little bit bigger. It is a strand of pearls. These are a nice, deep evergreen color. Let's get this closer here. And it looks like we've got, are these 3mm pearls? I think they're 3mm. Let's double check. Nope, they're 4mm. Okay, 4mm pearls in this deep evergreen color. And these were the 2 selections in my day 3 and 4 from Eureka crystal beads. So let me get them repackaged in their little baggies so I can get them into this box where we had that red cushion crystal before. Where's the, there it is. Get this one in here. The chatons. So I am slowly going to build a little collection, a Christmas collection. Speaking of collections, they have restocked the Hearthside collection at Eureka Crystal Beads as well. If you wanted to get a Christmas themed collection there. And I'm going to put this in with my other Green Girl Studios pendants and connectors and add it to my stash. It's really pretty and lovely. I'm so pleased with everything that I have opened so far, and I can't wait until we open up in 2 days the next day 3 Jesse James beads and days 5 and 6 for Eureka Crystal Beads. So I'll see y'all in a couple of days.